Hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel 369 for this weekly view, that is for 9th May till 13th May. So the caption what I mentioned is, can anyone tie this pair, because we saw a big fall in this week around 700 points. So that's the reason. If it doesn't hold this support, then we can see more fall. So let's look at the chart, how it's going to react for this coming week. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Nifty chart and see how it's going to react as per technical. Okay. So if you look at this chart around 4 hours time frame, okay, this is the pattern which I've explained in the May month expiry. So sorry, in the May month monthly view. Okay, so from this trend line we saw this negative, and it looks like it is going to follow this pattern. So you can see here this was an high. From next to low it made same way in April month, it made an high, and then end of this on the beginning of the May it made this high, then again it is making a big fall. So you can easily see that still the market is negative. Okay, so that's the reason I mentioned that, can anyone tie this bear to stop this fall? Okay, so let's look at the level, how it's going to react for this week. So this is the last two candle which formed at 4 hours. It was range at this 150 points, and it was not so easy on the Friday to trade. So now if it open negative, okay, then easily, as I mentioned in Friday only, 16,230 200 is the next support. And if that doesn't hold, then you can see Nifty further support is 16,100, 16,000, and even 16,000 doesn't hold, then it's a one more 500 point fall. So for next week you can keep this as 16,000 as a support. If that doesn't support, then you can see further downside till it touch this support. Next is 15,580. So this is the level which I'm looking on the lower side. If it open negative, and if it open positive, and if it sustain above this gap, okay, 16,500, and try to break this trend line, then only the market has changed the trend. Till then there is no good upward move in Nifty. So that's about the index view of the chart. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi,
so
Hemant. Hi,
yeah,
all.
what's your view on Nifty?
Yeah, currently, I mean, as you said, right, it is in the negative side.
Yeah.
So as of now, the support is 15,300 something. If it fails to hold, right, it can go till 16,100 and 15,900.
Yeah. Mm.
So strong support would be somewhere 15,500.
Mm.
Yeah, on the upper side, right, it has to cross at least a Friday high.
Mm-hmm. 16,500.
Yeah, 16,500. Then you can expect till that gap filling near till 16,650.
Okay.
And if it sustains above that level, you can expect a trend change.
Okay. So let's look at the over data. Let me change my screen to Nifty over data. Okay. So if you look here, 17,000, a very strong resistance here, and the next resistance is 16,700, and the support it is showing 16,000 as per the over data. And this is the level which you need to look here, 16,000, okay, 16,500 and 16,700, 17,000. So but the over data looks still negative. I'm expecting the 16,000 the next coming days as per the over data. So let's look at the chart, bank Nifty chart. how it's going to react. Okay. So in our May month view, we have mentioned that Bank Nifty is not looking so good. You can expect fall if it break this 36,000 levels, and from there we have seen a good fall, and now it is at 34,000. That's a good support here. It should not break this. Then if it doesn't support this 34,000 levels, right, then you can see big fall in Bank Nifty. Okay, so you can easily expect 33,400, 32,800 till it touch this trend line. So if it open negative, I'm expecting all these levels to be filled in this week. Okay, so the first support is 34,000, and the next easily you can expect 33,000, and next 32,800, 700 levels. So this is what on the lower side. On the positive side, it need to break this 35,000 levels. So that's an resistance. If it break, then the next resistance is 36, as we mentioned. So this is the level which I'm looking for this week. So what is your view, Manju, on Bank Nifty?
Yeah, past from 2 weeks, I was telling like Bank Nifty is highly negative.
Okay.
If you see, like 2 weeks back, I told that it will reach. There are higher chances of reaching 33K, 32K also.
Yeah.
So if it breaks again Friday's low, right, somewhere near 34,200,
Hmm.
there is a higher possibility it can come till 33,500.
Okay.
So on the upper side, again, it has to fill that gap somewhere near 35K. Only it will be positive only above 35,900 or 36,000. You can consider that level as important level on the
Mhm.
upper side. If it breaks, then the trend will change. Otherwise, it has to touch 33K
So
on the lower side.
even I'm uh,
Yeah.
also my view is also the same. So I'm expecting it should touch this trend line, and if it doesn't support this 34,000 level, so further fall I'm expecting. Let's see how it's going to react tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let's look at
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
OA data now. Okay, so let me change my screen to OA data. So if you look here, 36,000, a good resistance here, and these are the small resistance, 35,000, 35,500. So 34,000 is a good support. If that doesn't support, then 33, that is what the OA data says, 33,500, 33,000 levels. So this is the level which you can expect. From 33 is the down, the big fall, and resistance is 35,000. So this is the level which I am looking for this week. Let's look at the training program, guys. I have mentioned in my telegram that we are going to start a new batch for this coming for this month. Okay, if you guys are really interested to learn, and there are only few seats available. If you are really interested to learn technical, you can ping me. My telegram id is hemant369, and this is a topic which you're going to cover, and it's four session only on the weekends. Per session it is 2 hours, and we provide support for 1 month, so that whatever the analysis you do, you can verify with us and take a trade and trade independently. So that's about our training program. Let's look at the stock for Monday. The Infosys, you need to watch above 1553. So that's in resistance. Once it to break, then easily you can expect this gap, the Friday gap can be filled. Next is just dial below 742. You need to watch. That's in support here. If it fails, then 710 is the next support. Next 680 is the next support. Raymond's above 770, so that's a very strong support here. If it, sorry, it should be below.
It should have been
Yeah,
below.
it
Yeah.
should be below. If it fails to hold is 770, right? Then easily you can expect 750 and 772. So next is Biocon below 344. That's in support here. If it fails, then 340 and 333 is the next support for Biocon. So that's about the stock for tomorrow on Monday. Thank you guys, and thanks Manju for your time. All this chart will be shared in our Telegram channel. Stay tuned on Telegram. Chart traders at 369. See you on the next video. Cheers. Bye. Thanks Manju.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.